girl got that drunk. Hey guys, it's your girl Ty, and we're back with another video. Thank you for clicking this video, whether you're new or a returning subscriber. But if you're new, press the subscribe button and join the crew because we lit. Hey. But today we have a SheIn haul, y'all. I have so much stuff. It's like 16 items. Boy. But first, I'm gonna let you guys know, the deets. Oh, Snapchat. I ordered it April 28th and I got it about May 4th. Really, what was it? The expected delivery date was like May 22nd. So when it came, I was like so surprised. I already went through the stuff because I was like, oh my gosh, I was so excited. I paid $112.59 for all of these items. I think there was a sale going on because a lot of these are showing up discounted, but it's not telling me what sale. I don't remember, but I got something off. I have clothes and accessories, so I'm gonna try on the clothes first because I have more accessories. So yeah, now we're gonna get into the video. So this first top is the cap sleeve snake print crop top. I got it for $4.80. Yes, people, $4.80. I like the material, it's stretchy, and I like that it had the dragons on the boobies because, like, ooh, it just gives it that extra, like, pow. I changed the pants. These are actually from SheIn also. These are the pants. They're just like, ooh, not trying to show y'all my toes because quarantine got them looking like crazy, but they're just like joggers or whatever, or they call them leggings, but they look like joggers at the end or whatever. But yeah, so these are the stripe tape side drawstring leggings. They got the little red, white, and blue on the side. I think they make my butt look kind of good. What y'all think? These, they're comfortable. And then this is it just says letter graphic crop tee. Wait, hold on. Okay, so the pants was $8 and the top was $7.20, both in a small. If I forget to say the size and the price, it'll probably be down below on the screen, and it's gonna be in the description too. So it says shopaholic, and then it says shopping tour 94, and it just has like different places and dates. It's kind of like a a concert tee. Actually pretty cool. Like if you was about to go like run out real quick, this is a cool little outfit to put on, even though I feel like the letters is different reds. I was arguing with my dad about this, if it was red or pink, and he says that it's pink. In the picture it looked red. I still think it's red, it's just not this red. But yeah, also have this shirt in like gray and I think white, but I just went with black because I love black. I love black. So now this is cute. I think I'm gonna tie all my like tops like this because I like the little drop in the front. And this is ribbed material. I don't know, but I haven't ordered from, this is my first SheIn like order, and the quality of these clothes is up there. This is the Plunging necktie front rib knit crop top, and I got it for $4.80. Like what? I love the way these tops look. Like I'm not gonna lie, I might kill y'all. Well, if we have a summer, Corona, if we have a summer, I'm killing these tops. Period. Alrighty, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the off the shoulder rib knit top and legging set. Basically, I got this because I saw it on Fashion Nova, but it's cheaper on here. So this is what I got, and it's super stretchy and comfortable. It's crazy. Only thing is the strings is mad long, and there's this. I don't don't know if you can see it. There's this right here on the side, but I mean, I could cut it off. It ain't no big dang. It's just, you know. This is it. I got it in an extra small, which is basically like a 2, because I wanted it to fit me tight. Usually I'm like a small 4, but I be having a size down so that stuff is tighter on me, because your girl ain't got no butt. But it's coming. This was $15.20. You know, if you got it at Fashion Nova, it was definitely more than $20. So yeah, I think this is a steal. I needed so many new accessories, and like, I finally got them. Like, I literally have almost them all. I just had to get a couple more things. I mean, you can never have too many accessories, to be quite honest. You know, you can't. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the stuff. The accessory that I start off with, it's like one of these corset belts. Cross lace up PU. It says PU belt, and it was $5.60. I got a couple ideas that I had in mind for this, but it has buttons in the back. Well, really, it's like the little snap things. And so, damn, does it tie at the top or the bottom? Oh, it's supposed to be the bottom. Ooh. But yeah, so like, oh yeah, I fit this thing. It stretches on the side, so this is okay. I just didn't want to snap it myself. But yeah, so this is the look. I was thinking to put it with, like, you know, a cute white top. I could put this over a dress. I could put this over like anything, and it would be a look, period. I got it, and I'm happy. This is the, what is it? The geometric charm necklace. I got it for $1.28. I thought this looked completely, not completely different, but I thought it would have looked realer in a sense, but it was like $1 and some change. This, I feel like you could get it out, like, I can't even talk. I feel like this is something you could get, I don't want to say gumball machine, but I think it's still cute though. I will wear it. I paid my $1. Dang, I'm trying to put it on. I paid my $1 and some change. I'm gonna wear it. Can't get it on with my nails, but oh, oh, it was cute though. It's cute. I'm gonna wear it with something. I forgot I brought this, but it's a charm bracelet. It's the one-piece rhinestone engraved lock and key charm bracelet, and it was $2.13. And yeah, it just has like the little key in the lock, and it says look. I just thought it was cute, and it's like something else to put on my wrist. Y'all, I took a smoke break, so I'm kind of slow. Now we're getting to the good stuff. My glasses. These, I wasn't sure about these, but I'm so happy that I got them. And yeah, all of SheIn's glasses come in this little pouch, which I'm so grateful for, because your girl's glasses just be crazy. And then it also comes with a little cleaner. These are called the metal frame tinted lens oval sunglasses. Oh my gosh, I got plans for these. Yes, yes. Oh my, these, like, I don't think you understand. These glasses give me life. Like, red is already like one of my favorite colors, and it just makes it pop. Oh my gosh, my lashes though. But what? Ooh. Like, could you just imagine me like, oh, yes, Lord. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to the good stuff. These were $4.25. I think they're worth every penny. Get you a pair. SheIn, sponsor me, because I'm obsessed with these. My lashes, they just keep getting stuck. Now the rest of my accessories are basically bags because I desperately need some more bags. Yes, sir. So this is the Minimalist Satchel bag with double handle. It was $11.90, y'all. This bag, I just needed me like some good nude bags. This one, yeah, this was nude and it got like kind of this like gold coloring in here. I don't know what this says. It says Bellaborg and Moxie. It's not any type, I guess this is like a SheIn brand or something, but yeah, this is what it says. And then in the inside it comes with you know, the little handle, whatever. I might use it, I might not. I honestly just like holding the bag like this. Like, it makes me feel bougie. Cute. Yes. So it has like, you know, the regular little zip in the middle and then some space. This is a cool bag. I like it. Can't wait to wear it. Y'all, I have to take off these. I have to take these off. I really don't want to, but I have to because my lashes. Next, this is the Croc and Bows Baguette bag. Yeah, it's just a black bag. I needed like one of these like black little cute purses because I don't have one. This is actually my first bag that is like, you know, on the shoulder. Not on the shoulder, but like, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like, this is my first bag shaped like this, a baguette bag. I don't know if this is what they're called, but this is my first one and I got it in black and it looks good. Quarantine needs to end. It just has like the little croc print, faux leather, plasticky, but it's a look. It was $6.80. I think it's a steal. Y'all are probably like, this girl in nude. Yes, I got another nude bag, but this is a darker nude. It's different and it's smaller. And the handle, and it has like the little lock. This is so cute. Is the Metal Lock Decor Croc embossed satchel bag. So yeah, this is just for show. Like, it doesn't have like an actual key or anything. You just unhook it like that. It comes with like a plain gold chain. I probably won't use it, and I'm gonna hang it up so that it isn't so, you know, tingly. But yeah, this is it. I'm happy. I'm excited. I was trying to get like a bag in every color, to be quite honest. And then next, y'all are gonna like this girl. Yes, this girl. You see that pink? Ah, you see that pink? Hold on. All of the handles is like this. Like, they have to be like, you know, put back into their like form. But this is the Croc embossed. Y'all, how do I say the word? But it's that flap chain satchel bag, and it was $8.50. I have, y'all probably like this print. I have a lot of this print, but it's okay because I'm gonna get new, like, I'm gonna get the same color, but like, you know what I mean. This is it. I like the shape too. And then pop it open. It comes with one of the same like gold chains or whatever. Yeah, it's not really much in the inside. That's it. But I love this bag. Ironically, like, I used to hate pink, and I think pink is becoming one of my like top colors. Like, it doesn't go over red, but it's in the running because like pink just go crazy. It really does. This is the Metal Lock Decor clear satchel bag. So I got a bag, but it's just a little clear bag. Fun fact. Oh wait, they got a little bubble in here. I'm so happy this did not pop. Y'all, I wasn't ready. But yeah, so it's just like this. When I did open it, the lock, I don't know, it's kind of difficult, but the lock was on here and I had to get the key to unlock it, and then I had to turn it, and it was just a lot extra. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have the little I'm gonna have the key. Yeah, the key's right here, not the key, the lock. I'm probably just gonna keep the lock locked, and it comes with like the clear strap, but I probably won't use it, just so I can hold it like this and then put some money in it and make it look cute. Yes sir, yes sir. It was $11.90. Not bad. And now last but definitely not least, the neon orange push lock satchel bag, and it was $7.65. I know this bag is fire. I love neon orange. Is like, it's that color. It is that color. It's looking kind of different on camera, but this bag is like really neon. Like, it's neon. Yeah, it's small. It comes with that little gold chain too, but I'm not gonna use it. Not much in here, but y'all, this is it for me. Like, even with this, just have this like, come on. But yeah, I went like bag crazy, and I still have more coming. So I forgot about one more thing, the coin Decor chain belt, and it was $4.80. It low-key got this little, I didn't see this, but it's like a little is it Versace that got the lion? I think, right? Yeah, Versace. It's like a little, but they did it different. It looked like a lion. But yeah, it's kind of like this. And then they got this little coin thing. But yeah, so really it's a belt, and how I planned on wearing it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this on. It's like one of these little belts, you know, and then have the little thing. I gotta play around with it. Dangling. I don't know, I gotta see how the model wore it again. But the idea that I have for it was cute. You'll see. But yeah, y'all. Yes. If you like this video, thank you for, first of all, thank you for watching until the end, because you are here right now. Thank you. And like, comment, share, and subscribe if you like the video, and if you would like to see more of these videos, comment down below. And if I missed any size or price, it most likely will be in the screen or down below. You can click the links in the description. Hopefully it's not sold out, because people are going crazy during quarantine time. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.